Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are learning well. Today I will start with one more writing skill, notice writing. Notice writing you might have studied in previous class, but in 8th standard, 9th standard onwards, you have to write the notice in proper order, in proper format. So I am giving you here the whole proper format, the sample of notice and the points to remember to write a notice. So learn this thing very carefully, remember the points very well and try to write a good notice. You have observed so many notices on our notice board in our school. There is a proper format for these notices. What is the proper format? Which points are to be remembered to write a good notice, that we will see. So let's start with the writing skill, notice writing. Here you have to write this notice writing in your compo notebook. In your compo notebook you will write this notice writing. Okay, so let's start the points. The first point is write the name of institute. Institute means the organization or the institute on behalf of you, the institute you are writing the notice, but you have to write the name of institute at the top of the notice. For example, you are a student, so you will write the name of your school. So what is the name of the school? Crystal International Public School. Okay, so the first thing will be the name of the institute. Here the institute will be according to the matter of the notice. Then after writing the name of institute, what you will write? You will write the word notice. What you will write? The word notice. Then third one is date of issue. Date of issue of the notice on left side of your page. You start notice with your institute's name. After that, leave one line and write the word notice in capital letters. After that, write the date of issuing of the notice on left side of the notice writing. Then what will come? Heading. Heading means subject of notice. For what reason you are writing the notice, that you have to write. After that, what will come? Content. Content means the topic and the details. Content means details of the topic. You have to give all the details precisely in this main body of notice in content. After that, language. See, content is over. Then the language of the content must be in third person. Third person means they. Okay, avoid I, me, you, mine, your, etc. Means first person, second person you will not use. You will use the third person. And after that, the tense, very important thing. Tense of the content is usually present or future tense. Okay, the tense of the content, the main body is mostly present or future tense. After that, enclose the whole content in a box. Means suppose this is your notice, so you will enclose the whole box, whole content in a box. Then strictly follow the word limit if given. If in the title the word limit is given, write in 60 to 80 words, so you have to follow the word limit. And noticed must be precise and effective. Precise means थोड़े से में बहुत कुछ कह जाना, ओके छोटा है लेकिन सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन दे रहा है, एंड इफेक्टिव असर होना चाहिए उसका. So these are the points that you have to write for a good notice. Now let's see the sample notice and the format. Here the sample notice is given. You are Shan of class 12th. As the cultural secretary of your school, draft a notice for an international inter-school fancy dress competition. See, here when can you write the notice? When you have an authority. Okay, it means to write a notice you have the designation, the authority, the designation. If the fancy dress competition is there, then you can write cultural secretary. Okay, if general issues are there for school, for example lost properties, and for tour details, if you are writing notice, then you can write head girl or head boy. Understood? If sports related any notice is there, then you can write sports secretary. Understood? So all these things keep in your mind and write the good notice with good designation, good authority. If any problem or any issue is there related to your class, you can also write the monitor. Okay, boys monitor or girls monitor. Understood? So you should have the designation, you should have the authority to write the notice. It is very it is very important to write the designation. Why you are supposed to write the notice? Because you have the authority, you have the designation. For example, here Shan is a boy of class 12. And why he is writing the notice? Because he is the cultural secretary of the school. ओके वो कल्चरल सेक्रेटरी है स्कूल का. और यहाँ पर कल्चरल सेक्रेटरी क्यों लिया गया है, क्यों स्पोर्ट्स सेक्रेटरी नहीं लिया गया है? बिकॉज हियर द टॉपिक इज इंटर स्कूल फैंसी ड्रेस कॉम्पिटिशन, ये वाला टॉपिक है. ओके, सो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस टॉपिक कल्चरल secretary, the designation is cultural secretary. It means you have to select proper designation. Designation, what is the meaning of designation? पद, किस होदे पर तुम हो और उसके हिसाब से लिख रहे हो नोटिस. So you have to select proper designation if it is not provided in the title. So let's start with the format. See, first of all, what I told you, what will come? The name of institute. Here, because it is inter-school fancy dress competition, so it must be the name of a school, Crystal International Public School. Okay, Crystal International Public School. Then leave line. There is no such rule for leaving line here, because गैप छोड़ोगे ना तो सब कुछ क्लियरली दिखेगा. So I prefer you to write with a gap. Understood? After writing the name of institute, what you will write? Notice. See, first name of institute, then Second one will be notice, the word notice. Now here it should be in capital letters. It should be in capital letters, and here also it should be in bold letters. बोल्ड लेटर्स. बोल्ड लेटर्स मीन्स ये दोनों कैपिटल बोल्ड लेटर्स में हो सकते हैं दोनों. ओके, बट देयर शुड बी सम डिफरेंस बिटवीन द इंस्टीट्यूट नेम एंड नोटिस. But it is compulsory to write NOTICE in capital letters. For this, it is not such rule for institute's name, but write in bold letters if you are using printed letters also. Okay. After this, what you will do? Write the date on the left side of your notice writing. Okay, write the date on the left side of your notice writing. After that, your heading. Heading is inter-school fancy dress competition. Inter-school means so many schools are taking part of your area. So it is called inter-school. इंटर स्टेट मीन्स अलग अलग स्टेट के बीच में हो रही है. इंटर स्कूल मीन्स अलग अलग स्कूल के बीच में हो रही है. इंटर स्कूल फैंसी ड्रेस कॉम्पिटिशन, दिस इज द हेडिंग. ओके, ये हेडिंग है. अंडरस्टूड दिस मच? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, institute's name, then leave one line. After that, write notice in capital letters only in middle of your writing. ओके, मिडल ऑफ द पेज में आप लिखोगे नोटिस. आफ्टर दैट यू विल राइट द डेट ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ योर नोटिस राइटिंग. आफ्टर दैट इन द अगेन इन द मिडल you will write the title, the heading of the notice. Heading of the notice here is inter-school fancy dress competition. Understood this much? Now main content, which is very important. To write the main content, what you have to write, it must be in present or future. Language ये present या future में होता है as the requirement. As per the requirement, you will use present or future tense. Then you will use third person. Third person. You will use third person. See, do we observe all these rules here? Let's see. An inter-school fancy dress competition is being organized on 30th January at Madhav Farm. First of all, write the date and when the competition is held and where it is held. Okay, an inter-school fancy dress competition is being organized on 30th January at Madhav Farm. Venue also you will write Madhav Farm. Then see, present tense है ना, is being है ना, present tense है. those means third person हुआ, हो गया थर्ड पर्सन. Those willing to take part in the items which our school will be presenting should come for selection on 1st January 2021. Okay, sorry, here I have written 2020 but you have to write 21. यहाँ पर 21 लिखना है सबको. Okay, because 1st January New Year is there. Okay, first day of New Year, so 2021. Do the correction. An inter-school fancy dress competition is being organized on 30th January at Madhav Farm. Those willing to take part in the items which our school will be presenting should come for selection on 1st January 2021 at 12:30 p.m. in 3D room. We have 3D room. We don't have assembly hall. So that we are writing 3D room. So what you have to do? You have to write those willing to take part in the items. Different items are there, and if those who willing to take part, they have to be present for selection. ऐसे ही सबको नहीं दे दिया जाएगा, सिलेक्शन होगा. ओके, फॉर सिलेक्शन ऑन 1st January 2021 at 12:30 PM. क्यों 12:30 PM रखा है? आफ्टर द स्कूल. ओके, so for selection the students have to come on 1st January 2021 at 12:30 PM in 3D room. Now which classes are eligible for this competitions? Because different age groups are there. ओके, 3 to 6 years होता है, या 1st to 3rd होता है, 4 to 6th होता है एज ग्रुप, 4th and 5th होता है, 6 to 10 होता है, 11 12th होता है. अलग अलग क्लास वाइज, एज ग्रुप वाइज क्लासेस होते हैं. सो हियर ओनली 6 to 12th क्लास स्टूडेंट्स आर एलिजिबल. यानी कि 6 to 12th क्लास के स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो ही इसमें पार्ट लेंगे, उनके लिए है ये कंपटीशन. So only class 6 to 12 students are eligible. Dresses should be arranged by the participants. देखो सारी इंफॉर्मेशन मिल गई है ना. When is the competition? On 13th January. Where it is? At Madhav Farm. What are the conditions? That you have to come for selection on 1st January 2021. What is the time for selection? 12:30 after school. And where the selection will be held? At 3D room. Okay, and for whom the competition is there? For 6 to 12. Okay, and what is the condition? The dresses should be arranged by the participants. This is the condition. So you may observe that all the thing is covered: place, time, venue, all these things, then conditions, all these things are covered in this main content. So, and it is precise also, it is effective. प्रिसाइज भी है ये, है ना, इतना ये प्रिसाइज है. प्रिसाइज मीन्स शॉर्ट एंड स्वीट, जिसे हम लोकल लैंग्वेज में बोले तो. ओके, जो हमारी रोज़ की लैंग्वेज में बोले तो शॉर्ट एंड स्वीट है. 4-5 लाइन्स में सारी डिटेल्स आ गई है. सो द नोटिस, दिस इज़ द मेन फीचर ऑफ द नोटिस, दैट इट मस्ट बी प्रिसाइज एंड इफेक्टिव. जितना मांगा है उतना ही लिखो. हमें हेलो, हाय, हाउ आर यू, ये सब नहीं लिखना है. अंडरस्टूड? So this much you will write. An inter-school fancy dress competition is being held on 13th January at Madhav Farm. Those willing to take part in the items which our school will be presenting should come for selection on 1st January 2021 at 12:30 PM in 3D room. Then classes 6 to 12 students are eligible, and the dresses must be arranged by the participants. This is your main content. After that, leave one line. Leave line. You have to leave line. And after that, write your name. The name is given Shyam, and your designation cultural secretary. Okay, understood? That's all for this notice. It can be asked for 4 marks. 9th standard 4 marks and 8th standard 3 to 5 marks. Okay, तो इस तरह से आप लोगों को ये नोटिस है वो शॉर्ट एंड स्वीट लिखनी है, फिर भी मार्क्स है वो अच्छे मिलेंगे. So be careful. And the last but not the least is you have to cover your content. पूरी नोटिस जहाँ से आपने यहाँ से स्टार्ट किया है ना, यहाँ से ये पूरी नोटिस आपको बॉक्स में कवर करनी है। ये देखो बॉक्स में लिखा है ना मैंने, ये सब बॉक्स लाइन दिख रही है ना पूरे में। इफ़ यू हैव नॉट enclose the notice in a box then no mark will be given to you। कोई भी मार्क नहीं दिया जाएगा अगर आपने नोटिस है वो बॉक्स में इनक्लोज नहीं किए तो। अंडरस्टूड? So you have to enclose the notice in a box like this from starting to end। starting से लेके end तक। See, I have started from here where you have written the institute name, from there to last of the notice, last line of the notice, till here you have to enclose the notice in a box. If it is not given, if it is not enclosed in a box, then you will not be, marks will not be given to you। Understood? So keep all these things in your mind and revise all the rules। keep all these points in your mind। okay, I am giving you one more topic which is given on page number 128 of your grammar textbook। page number 128, exercise number 2, question number 4। The Xavier School, Mumbai is organizing a summer camp in school for a month। Here, instead of Xavier School and Mumbai, you will write CIPS, means Crystal International Public School, Ahmedabad, is organizing a summer camp in school for a month। Activities would be include aerobics, guitar, pottery making, western dance and aero modeling। Students can opt for any two activities and the fee is rupees 500। As secretary of cultural club of your school, put up a suitable notice giving all necessary information। This topic is given on page number 129, exercise number 2, question number 4। So you have to write this notice in your rough notebook। प्रैक्टिस करो रफ नोटबुक में। एंड आई विल आस्क यू इन ऑनलाइन लेक्चर, जूम लेक्चर में मैं सबसे पूछूंगी चलो तुमने क्या लिखा है। ओके, वेन एवर इट विल बी, इंग्लिश का जब आएगा ना उसमें मैं पूछूंगी मंडे को। ओके, सो यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर दिस नोटिस इन योर नोटबुक and be ready to give answer। then only you will have the practice। I want to improve your writing skills, that's why I am giving all these things to you in very detail। this notes will be very useful to you in next classes also, for 9th 10th 11th 12th, even in colleges also you will be well equipped with all the content of your grammar and the writing skills। so do practice and ask questions if any query is there। and I hope you are understanding all these things। I think in writing skills we have written dialogue writing, letter writing, diary writing, 3 things। okay, the 4th one is notice writing। maybe next week I will start with advertisement। what is advertisement, that I will start next week। okay, so for today that's all। the homework is given to you। then also I am writing here homework। what is the homework, page number 129, exercise number 2, question number 4 in notebook। Okay, page 129, exercise number 2, question number 4 in notebook. You have to write this and you have to show me in Zoom lecture. सबका वीडियो ऑन करके और मैं देखूंगी किसने कैसे फॉर्मेट में लिखा है. Understood? And I will tell you to read from your notebook next week in Zoom lecture on Monday. So do the homework, do practicing, and don't neglect your duties. I hope you understood the notice writing, and we will meet in next lecture with new content. Till then, bye.